Hi y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It. And today I'm super excited to share my proven 10-step formula to help you get your first deal done fast. Now, like most things in life, it's getting your first deal done that's the hardest, right? Well, that's why I've created these 10 steps that you can follow to get your deal done fast. I want you to get to the closing table. So now there's two main parts. Well, I mean, there's a lot of things you got to do in real estate investing, but it all boils down to these two main pieces. You got to know what you're buying. You got to find a seller that's willing to work with you. And then you got to know what you're selling and find a buyer that's willing to work with you. Sounds pretty simple when we boil it down to 2 steps, right? Yeah, well, it's not that easy. And that's why I've got it down to the 10 top steps that you need to get these deals done and make it to that closing table. You're going to master how to find the right property at the right price at the right time, and how you can find the right buyer to pay you. This is going to reduce all the time it's going to take you to master real estate and close your first deal fast. If you're ready for these 10 proven steps, then all you got to do is enter your email address down below and you will get immediate access to this download. Go ahead, drop your email address below and we will send you a link to get this download right now.